Is it actually possible to reduce cost and risk in plant engineering at the same time? So both cheaper and better? I believe this is not a contradiction, and I will also tell you why. Hi. Within another video, the space management of branches was in the center of our discussion. Today, I would like to turn the focus a little bit more on manifolds in general. A manifold in general is certainly designed to fit perfectly into the application of your process system. Such a manifold can be manufactured from standard components such as T-pieces here. Could be this T-piece, which is reduced, which is electropolished on the inside as well. However, as you have certainly many options for T-pieces, they could be equal, reduced, they could be concentric, eccentric, they could be 90-degree or angled as well. You have as many possibilities as possible. However, when you take something like that and you would like to align it to a manifold, you may set a T-piece here, set another one there, take a piece of tube in between, take another T-piece and align it with a piece of tube or end it with a piece of tube here. So as you can see, you certainly have several weld seams in between. And especially when you're talking about an electropolished manifold, such as that one here, you certainly need to be very careful while welding it. Because what you don't want to do, as you probably cannot re-electropolish the manifold afterwards, you need to be very careful with regard to the welding criteria, the welding conditions that you apply. Your gas stream, your protective gas stream inside should be very well aligned in order to avoid discoloration on the inside, which might be contradictory to your application, to the corrosion resistance of your system. However, when you weld it together, you basically form a manifold like this. Certainly, you are limited with regard to the distance of your branches on that one. However, if you want to manufacture the perfect manifold for your application, for your system, you should consider manufacturing it from a piece of tube like that one, because that could be aligned in perfect matching to the branches, perfect matching to the rest of your system with regard to the tube steps that you apply. Plus, you don't have weld seams in between, you don't have the risk for creation of slag, for discoloration, for everything that is increasing the risk of your application. So I would say, with regard to risk, a manifold like this is certainly favoring the application. However, what about cost? When you're talking about an electropolished manifold like this, it's certainly a high effort which is necessary to create the same level of hygienic design such as this one here. And that, in conjunction with all the labor you would put in, would be resulting in the fact that a manifold like this could be roughly 30% cheaper than a setup like that. So both the optimization of risk and of cost is possible in such a manifold. However, this is a two-dimensional setup. You can also go three-dimensional with a stacked version like that one, or also a stacked version like this one here is possible. So I hope I could show you that it's not a contradiction to do a great performance on cost and risk as well. And I would certainly be happy if you would talk to us, if you would communicate your challenges of your system towards us, and let's find a solution for it together. And I would certainly be happy if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you again in one of our next videos. Thanks a lot and stay healthy.